Hello everyone, it's Charger here and welcome to another weekly Diecast video. And in today's video we have all American vehicles, as it's the stuff I collect. And four of them are trucks. And yeah, that's all I have for my intro. Goodness, yeah. Couldn't think of anything else. Okay, so let's just get into this. We're gonna have 4 manufacturers today. First off, we're going to start with Mini GT. This is the Chevrolet Corvette C8 .R number 4 Corvette Racing 2021 IMSA Sebring 12 hours. This is the 316 number, and it's the. I did open one from one of my previous videos, the yellow one. Now I have this. I don't know what's this color even. Some type of a gray color. As you can see, it's been opened before because this was in somebody else's collection before. But I have not opened it. I bought it like this, so I guess we'll see what's going on in there. So that's Mini GT. Then we have one Johnny Lightning, the Rat Fink. This is the 1965 Chevy tow truck. This one came in two versions. It was a pink one and then this green one. I opened the pink one like way back, I think in I don't know, I think it was actually in 2025. Maybe at the start of 2025 or somewhere there. I don't fully know, but I know I did open the pink one, and I know it is in my collection. And now I have this green one finally. So yeah, this thing is looking very heavy. So here's some other information in the back of these. And I can tell you definitely I have none of the stuff that is here, A or B. So that's that. Release year for this one is 2023. So that's that. That is our Johnny Lightning. Then we have two Greenlights from the Black Bandit collection. So this is the 1978 Chevrolet El Camino Super Sport. This is a casting I really like, so I'm trying to get all versions I can find. So yeah, there's the set of all the other cars. I already have this DeVille. Now I have the El Camino. I'm not getting the Volkswagen. Don't care about that one. Also don't care about the Ford Mac E. I have the Lariat Sport. I don't know why I don't know why I didn't decide to open it in this video. So it will be in a future video. And in today's video, yeah, we have the El Camino and the Power Ram. So there you go. This is a release from 2023, if somebody's wondering. Then the other car, well, I technically already said it, but this is the 1993 Dodge Power Ram 250. And this is a new casting to me. Those I already have, just in like different color variations. This is completely new to me. In a way, I have this truck as a monster truck. So monster truck variations of this, but not as its own thing, like not as a non of like monster truck. This is the first for me. The longest time I was kind of weirded out by this shape, and then recently I saw it on a video being opened. I was like, okay, actually, it doesn't look that bad. So got to see it in real life in the store, and I decided, okay, I'll get it. Looks pretty cool, actually. So, well, I guess we'll see that. And then lastly, we have two Auto Worlds, and these are, I'm hyped the most. So, we have the 2020 Ford F-150 Lariat. Comes in lead foot gray. We can sort of read the premium facts. This is the first release of our new 2020 Ford F-150 casting with all new front grille and wheels. In the official Ford brochure, this newly tooled wheel is called the 20. What is this? 20 machined aluminium wheel. Okay, so technically this has new wheels. Didn't know that. Cool, cool, cool. Here's some more information in the back about what else has been there or what is in the set or whatever. Released in 2024. So really heavy casting, really happy about that. And the other one is also from our world, and it is the 2020 Chevy Silverado ZL1 LT Trail Boss. And this thing is humongous, and it's also super heavy. Yeah, so it comes in what is that name? Tangier orange. I was about to say tangerine, but it's Tangier. Okay. Let's see. Read some premium facts. About 20% of all Silverado truck sales are from the custom Trail Boss and the LT Trail Boss sales combined. The Trail Boss has 2-inch lift as compared to the regular Silverado lineup. Huh. I wouldn't have noticed that unless I had like another model. But yeah, this one is 2021 release, so there's some more information in the back if you want to check that out. And yeah, so that will be the cars will be opening day. Like I said, I am the most hyped about these two. So these two will be used for the thumbnail. So there we go. And leave those two for last. We're going to start actually in the way I actually decided on the showing. So we're going to start with the Mini GT first. Now let me get this box opened. I cut my nails, now I can't grab the little... There we go. There we go. Ooh. Yes. The only thing I don't like about these Corvettes is how they're placed in these, because you can't just pull it out. You have to pull it like slightly sideways, because the front lip is touching. So let's... I don't want to break it. So come on. There we go. Okay. It is a bit stiff. So I'll put that away there. So yeah, this Corvette is looking very, very good. Serious XM. I love the red accents for the spoiler. Of course, the number. You got the very big, what do you call it, mirrors. We have the nicely tucked tires. Here's all the details for the back. Got lensed tail lights as the front ones. Can't really see the interior, but it is fully detailed in there. It's all black, but still. There's no details for the base because it is a race car, so you get like the diffusers for the back and the aero base underneath, the aero for airflow at the bottom. But as you can see, there's quite a lot of details there. So this thing is awesome looking. Let's have a roll test. Rolls perfectly without any issues. There we go. That is a very good one. Much better out of the box than in the box. Okay, next up, Johnny Lightning. Actually didn't read the freak facts, so let's go. This is the first release of our new 1965 Chevy tow truck Zinger casting. Manti, Utah is the home of the official Ed Big Daddy Roth Ratfink Museum. On display is original artwork, cars, bikes, models, toys, and other Roth memorabilia. And this thing comes in Slime Time Green with Ratfink 24-hour tow graphics. So yeah, that's that. Let's get it off this base, off the card. So here's the card. And this thing looks awesome. It's like all molded up and everything. There's the other vehicles in this set. So that's the card. And that's that. Tossing that away. Let's get our truck out. So yeah, there's this guy. You can actually, if you want, you can like put that on the outside, but I'm not going to. If you like mess around a little bit with it, you can actually like unhook it slightly and then pull it out and have it like hanging at the back. But I'll leave it as it is. It is slightly moving, as you can see, but it's supposed to be like that. It is a very heavy casting. The red base is metal. The tires are rubber. You know, the body is metal, of course. This black part of the toe is plastic. The engine is metal. So here's your goofy looking truck. Goofy but awesome in the same time, as you can see. Like, yeah, I can pull this thing like this, like out. And like, so you can like have it like hanging like this. Can't use it for anything, but it is there. So roll test, perfect, no issues whatsoever. So there we go, that's that one. Let's get into some Greenlight. So yeah, the El Camino Super Sport. So let's check this guy out. So it is like very like super sport. It's very black. I already got my fingerprints all over the car. I'll have to clean that off. Here is also black, but you can nicely see it inside and everything. You got the BB on the back for the Black Bandit. Also have the Super Sport visible there at the back. Rear taillights are painted, as also are the fronts. But they look very nice, very crisp and everything, so it's perfectly fine. Doesn't bother me. It is 1328 as its number. Has no opening parts, but I'm fine with that. And yeah, overall this thing looks very, very good. I don't see any tire shows, so let's have a roll test. Not the best roller though. There's something getting caught somewhere. Let's try to adjust tire maybe. I've had issues with this model being not a good roller in the past, but it's fine as long as the model itself is fine, so it's not a major issue for me at least. So that is very awesome. Okay, let's check out something new for me. This Ram. Okay, here we go. This one's also like fully blacked out, as it is for the Black Bandit series. The front details are painted. No opening hood or tailgate for this one. Yeah, it actually looks way better than I thought. It has also a tow hitch. Lift kit, as you can see. The wheels look fine. Don't see any issues. Looks like it's going to be a good roller though. The back tail lights are also painted. Yeah, those are also painted. It says Dodge Ram on the back. Yeah, this thing looks actually way, way better in like real life, because in pictures it looks kind of goofy, but it actually looks very good. So I am gonna probably get more of these if I can. Okay, now lastly for the two hyped models for myself at least. Let's start with the Lariat. So I actually forgot to see what color this thing comes in. This thing comes in Leadfoot Gray. Okay, Leadfoot Gray. So yeah, you can see this very dark gray. The base is very detailed, as you can see, but it's all black though. There's those new rims that I've been talking about for a truck. Yeah, they look okay. Not crazy as much as I thought, but here's your painted front details. Looking very nice, very crisp. Like design on the side. There's no windows. They always done that. No windows on the side. I don't know. Maybe I've not noticed that. Does it have an opening hatch? Yes, it does. It's very stiff, so I don't want to open it fully, so I'll just leave it closed. And it should also have an opening hood. There we go. There's your engine details, all like gray and black in there. Shuts perfectly well, no issues whatsoever there. So yeah, there's your back details. What does it say on the back? Heavy toy, or heavy? No, that's something else. Heavy Heavioti? I'm not fully sure what this is, but yeah. So yeah, very good model, definitely. Let's have a roll test. There's maybe needs a little bit of rolling to make it roll more. Something is okay. It's the back. I think you need to spread the wheels a little bit. Sometimes they're just too close. Okay. Yep, there we go. Now it's perfect. Spread the wheels a little bit wider so it would not get caught. So yeah, this thing is very good. I might have a very hard choice today of my top 3. We have a lot of very good stuff. And lastly, the Chevy Silverado. So this one has a funky looking bed a little bit. It's like a little bit banana-fied. That is the only issue I think I'm seeing right now off the get-go. Details for the headlights are fine. Not as good as the rest, but they're fine. Should have an opening back. Yes, it does. The hatch does open. I don't know if I would go for this color, like a pumpkin color for this truck. I think I would go for a dark red or something. Or something like that. Well, the hood doesn't want to really open that much, but there's your engine down in there. There we go. Well, very heavy model. It's we have need a little adjustment on the back wheel. That's okay. It has a bit of wobble to the back, but it's fine. Rolls super good. So yeah, there we go. That is our third. I mean, like our last. Almost going upwards. Almost. Besides that one. So yeah, there we go. There's our models. Now I have to decide on my top 3, and I can tell you this: this has totally been one of definitely one of, well, these 2 were the hype models for myself, and this one definitely delivered as giving first place. I am giving second place to this Greenlight Dodge Ram. Really liked it much more now, and definitely gonna get more of these if I can. And I'm giving third place to the Mini GT Corvette. Like I said, in the packaging it looked okay, but out of it looks very good. So these are my choices. What would be yours? You can tell me in the comments down below. And if you liked the video, which I hope you did, leave a like if you did. I'm seeing a lot of did. But yeah, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.